In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your Claude usage quickly and easily so you can see exactly how much of your limit you've used and when it resets. This is really helpful if you use Claude often and want to keep track of your current session usage, weekly usage, and usage by model and features. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple AI tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Claude AI in your browser and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're inside the main Claude dashboard, look down to the lower left corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. Click that profile icon to open the account menu. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This is where Claude keeps the account and preference options for your profile. Once the settings page opens, look for the usage option and click it. This will take you to your usage dashboard, which gives you a clear overview of how you're using Claude. On the usage page, you'll be able to see your current session usage, which shows how much activity you've used in your present session. You'll also see your weekly usage, which is useful for understanding how much of your available usage you've used across the week. Claude also shows usage by model and features, so you can understand which tools or model types are using the most capacity. Another important thing to look for is the reset times for your limits. This tells you when your usage will refresh, so you know when you'll be able to continue using Claude with a renewed allowance. If you ever feel like your responses are slowing down or you're hitting a limit, this usage section is the best place to check first. And that's it. Now you know how to find Claude usage and read your dashboard in just a few clicks. It's a simple process, but it can save you a lot of confusion if you're trying to manage your account limits more effectively. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful AI guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.